So say starting seeds are not your thing. I have another solution for you. Starting seeds can be very cumbersome, especially if you don't have a lot of time and you're really busy. Well, you should try cuttings. So what I've done is I've gone to Lowe's, or any garden center, and I've gotten a tomato plant. And as it grows, you don't need every stem that it produces, or else it's putting all of its energy into stems instead of actual fruit. So you'll start trimming off some of the stems. Well, you can use those cuttings to start new plants. I'll show you how to do it. Comment down below if you have ever started a plant from a cutting. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. So typically for tomato plants, you want two main stems. Any of these little small shoots that are coming off the bottoms of them, you can cut those off. So let's trim our cuttings. These cuttings are going to be in soil, so anything that's going to be in the soil or touching the soil is going to get cut off. And as soon as you trimmed your cuttings, it's as easy as sticking them in a pot of soil and giving them a good drink of water. Here I had already cut these last week and stuck them in some soil, and you can see that they're already growing some roots. Before long, these will be able to be transplanted into the garden and grow a whole new plant.